Hi, once again, everyone. I'm back here, and I have brought the divine blessings coming to your sign between 20th of July to 26th of July 2020. So let's quickly get going with the sign of Aries first. And remember that this is channel message. So I'm going to be reading it out from the paper where I have recorded this, and hope you find this interesting and it really goes down so well in your life. Let's move forward with Aries. Aries are going to feel gung-ho about many things or ideas rapidly crossing their minds. They will be intuitively drawn to people and places where they most need to be right now. They need not worry about shackles or debacles. They are experiencing a delay as per divine plans, and at the end of the month, they will feel their joyful and cheerful energy back inside. Until then, stay away from unwanted news, rather, information which causes your vibrance to become dull. So, Aries, you are being guided to stay away from these external sources of information, maybe your television, your news playing on television, or people talking to you about all the negative things. They are not going to help you attract the blessings I see for your sign here. So you have got to walk away from such people and such sources of information. So moving on to Taurans. Taurians are wanting to enjoy that calm and blissful feeling which could have been missing. They have pledged to stand in their power, but momentary elements cause them to waver from arriving in a solid space. You need to avoid food that is not of high vibrations, is oily, heavy foods, junk foods with no nutritional factor to counter the energies which may cause digestive issues. You got to take care of your digestion, Taurians. I'm hearing colon. So remember, I'm not a doctor, but I see a lot of things at the energetic level. So I'm hearing colon. You got to be careful about your health. You could also feel drawn to custards, puddings, ice creams, or desserts in general. There could be good news regarding spiritual and material blessings arriving in your life. So you could even see a lot of signs around you. Maybe if you haven't been working a lot on this side of your life, you could now be getting a lot of signs. So I would say just go out, ask for a sign. You will see a sign. And remember, Taurans, that the signs come in the form of maybe feathers, lights, you having that feeling inside that someone really holy and blissful is close by, and maybe even in your dreams you're receiving symbols. So Taurans, this is looking like a very positive time for you from the 20th to 26th of July. Gemini. Gemini are out and about their business. They are manifesting their desires fast and are about to see further growth. A sense of insecurity will be long gone after this week has come to pass, Gemini. New ventures are definitely about to begin for you, and I feel, Gemini, that something or life has been preparing you in the past few weeks to where you have to come to in this coming week, the 20th to 26th of July. Meeting new and more people, maybe even virtually, is there for sure. They could even plan an outing or a short trip. Where are you headed, Gemini? Take me with you, you guys. Cancer. Hi, once again, Cancerans, and just a little insider news. Two times I tried to record for you just now when my camera fell down. It had me laughing so hard. So this news, this blessing better ring true for you. Do give me a thumbs up if you feel this already coming in. So Cancerians will get news that'll set their feet tapping and feeling of being on cloud nine. Some old wishes may seem to get fulfilled, or planning towards the same is possible. New work, exciting opportunities are looking to cross paths with you, Cancerians. You will also make new friends and be delighted to be in their company. So that feels like some positive times coming up after maybe a few weeks of staying down and under and not in a very, very happy place. So, Cancerians, try to make the most of this time. But yes, of course, safety and protection are very important in the times that we are living in. So, no, do not overlook that at all. Shall we move to Leos? Leos, some exciting times ahead for you. You may get an answer to a chronic problem, and this will lead to peace. Wow. Some people could be seeking your opinion on a subject. Choose your words carefully. Some joyful interactions are possible with people you are fond of. So I'm seeing some amazing, joyful times ahead for you, Leos. Renovating, decorating, arranging the house is possible for many Leos. This one time in Leo history, they won't be sleeping much, but doing a lot of a lot of thinking and acting for future. So Leos, this does not mean that you will be suffering from lack of sleep, but then there's going to be so much in your excitement in your heart that this is going to keep you planning and thinking and moving on in your life. So this week is looking so wonderful. Moving on to Virgos. Virgos will feel the, what have you written? Oh, nerve-wracking feelings dissipating. I'll go over that again, Virgos. Virgos will feel the nerve-wracking feelings dissipating and grow more in command of themselves. The inner sense of joy that was stuck in the muck for a while will now return, and they will feel the power brewing inside of themselves. They may be pleasantly drawn to cultivate their culinary skills and enjoy this phase too. Some Virgos who may be involved seeking new opportunities or are waiting for some news may hear about it this week. So Virgos, whatever you are cooking in your kitchen, don't forget to invite me over. Yes, so Libras, the lovely, lovely Libras, what do I have for you? The divine blessings coming to your sign between 20th to 26th of July 2020. Let's go. Libras, you deserve accolades and will get them. Wonderful. All the hard work you have been putting in the last few weeks or months is beginning to show results. New opportunities will crop up in the places you did not dream about earlier. New people will join you and become the source of happiness for you. How wonderful it is. We are one big galactic family. Keep your feet on the ground and your head on your shoulders. An old friend or an acquaintance may also return. So, yeah, that's looking nice, Leos. I am so sorry. Libras. So Libras, we are continuing from where we left off. You will see some brilliant signs from the spirit side validating their benign presence in your life, and I am so sure this is going to happen for you. So don't doubt it at all. Keep yourselves very open. These signs can come in many different ways. Some things you're not even ready for, and all will be much better than where you started out in the month. Energies are setting in for one really good, unbelievable offer for you that will help you grow fast on your journey to success. And Libras, I also got that there are some very holy high beings coming across and connecting with you at this time. So you'll feel a lot more peace at heart than you did in the month of May, and even in the month of June. So let's hope that the week ahead is looking much better for you. Moving on to Scorpios. Scorpios are finally beginning to look after themselves now. They may even be secluding themselves to achieve this inner peace or be away from social interactions for some time. Go away somewhere, Scorpios. You need it. You need this rest. I've been reading about this for so long. Okay, they have come a full circle in their journey and seek mental and physical rest before a new chapter or new lesson begins to unfold for them. They will also need to learn to balance a lot of things around them before they set out on a new path of self discovery. So, Scorpios, I feel that it's one part of your life has just come to a close and it's such a new beautiful beginning that's about to take place. But then we all need this mental and physical rest before we can just head out of the house and go about our day. So that is exactly what I'm sensing for you here, Scorpios, and so do take care of your health, a very important part right now. Sagittarius has been contemplating a new path to be adopted for their growth. Is it so, Sagittarius? Please comment and let me know. They have also been very quiet because of all the thinking that is going on in their minds. Sagittarius will crave for a lot of sweet, satiating foods, but must pay attention to their waistline. A strong, positive, spiritual presence can be felt around. Do not talk to anyone about your plans and stay true to yourself and your commitments. Stay hush hush, Sagittarians. Plan it well in your mind first, get going. Yeah, not everyone may understand your plans the way you do. Okay. Time to walk away from laziness and apply yourself diligently to what you want to achieve. Some old cycles may return briefly to test your inner strength. Your conviction will be your guiding light. So, Sagittarians, I know you're feeling a lot of things inside right now, and trust those instincts, trust the intuition, and you will see it taking you in the very right direction where you need to be right now. And so let's move on to Capricorns. Capricorns will be in for a surprise. They will get to hear about a news that will make them jump with joy. Wow. A new beginning seems possible and looks interesting too. Meeting new and positive people cannot be overlooked now. You may also plan big and far ahead for future. Capricorn, this is looking really big to me here. Strengthen your base in your subject. Research well. You could hear about or from a long-time friend or relative too. I see with many signs these old people, I mean the people from a past relationship could be coming back into your lives. So even for, I think in the sign of Taurus and for Leos too. And I'm not sure about Libras, but yeah, I do read it here for Capricorn, so I know that. So guys, moving on to Aquarius. Aquarius have been feeling overwhelmed with emotions off and on, and now will sense more positivity and peace around themselves. Some kind of travel is possible or may be planned, which may happen in August. All right. A feminine energy walks into their life, bringing in much comfort and luck. That sounds good. They need to be a little careful around their health and go easy on foods and drinks that they may like to indulge in. Buying presents for someone special or some people may be possible at this time. Who are you buying these presents for? Aquarius. Moving on to Pisces. Pisces have had some relief in the past and are beginning to feel some stability in their lives. However, planning for the future remains a priority for them now, and this entire week will flood them with ideas. Opportunities to work on them may arrive a little later in the year, Pisces. They may be tempted to spend on Venus items, but will also be careful around money. They may hear a big news in the family or distant relations. Their confidence finds its way back to them this week. So I was feeling really so jumpy and happy and excited while I was downloading these messages for each of the 12 zodiac signs. Remember once again, guys, that this is a general reading for all the 12, each of the 12 zodiac signs. So don't forget to watch for your sun, moon, and rising for more clarity. Also, give this reading a thumbs up if you liked it. Do comment below and let me know how these energies are walking into your life. I'd be so happy to communicate with each one of you, or in fact, just maybe reply to your messages on my channel. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon if you'd like to receive such updates on your gadget, mobile phone, television screen, or your tab, wherever you're watching me. And much love and light to each one of you. Bye bye.